if you did not subscribe our channel yet, so please go to the subscribe button, red color, and click this. And if you want to get notification of each video, so select all here. So now you have subscribed our channel, you will get new video every time. Today we will tell you about mixing meal automatic clamping system. We uploaded the video about this worm gear and mixing meal, and also controlling of two motor at same time, and also that you can control individually each motor. So we will provide link in our description, so you can watch mixing meal and two motor clamping motor, and also your worm gear video there. Here you can see that one gear is here. So last time we told you about this, we will tell you that little bit here. This is the gap of this. So in manual condition, we have rotate this and to close both roller together. But if we want to make the seat of thin seat, so that time this gap should be closed. If you want to fix it, so that time you can keep your distance 5-10 mm, whatever you want. Here that mixing meal, that first we will describe here that what is the working of this. We will try to define here some things that when we will give the supply or current, so that time your worm gear will be rotate. You can see that pinion is moving, rotating here. So that time your this gear will be rotate. Worm will be rotate when pinion will be rotate. So when your gear will be rotate, so that time that gap of this your between the roller, you can see here that the gap will increase or decrease same time. Now this gap is increasing, and if you want to make a thin seat, so that time it will rotate here. So here that you can see that some numbering are here. So how many round do you want to tight, or how much do you want to release the your both roller, and want to more gap, so you can start with in auto clamping also. No need to touch there by hand or handle. So this is a very easy, no manpower required here. Only have to push the button to start in clockwise direction and anti-clockwise direction as well. So this is the basic system to move one roller here. And in this roller, when you will fix this part, so the accuracy will be, you will get more accuracy, because by hand when you will rotate your this roller and you reduce the gap, so you cannot reduce very well. But in this case, that all things are here. You can check that what degree you want, or how much do you want that it should be tight, or other things. Now we will tell you that you know that if you are working in maintenance, or do you know about the machine, so that time you have to fix two your limit switch or proximity sensor between them to adjust the light, adjust the distance, what distance you want, and it will be to protection of your motor only. That when it will be between this, you can fix two limit switch. So how much do you want to reduce, or it will be when limit switch will be on, that time it will be stop to move forward or backward itself. Suppose your seal is leakage here, that because here the roller moving is here, and you give some water to cool this. So water cooling is inside of your roller. We will provide detail later, because that is the another part of your rotary joint also. So we will make the rotary joint again later. And here you can see that this is the hosing. So we have to cool hosing also. So we circulate here one lubricant oil to cool down this. So if suppose that cooling, if your seal is leaked, so that time it means that your lubricant oil is not circulating very well. So we have to keep in your mind, if circulation will not be good, so that time we will be in trouble, and we have to open this and to change the seal. To change the seal is very difficult in a mixing mill. So what is the system or procedure to change the seal in this? We will show you here. First, have to remove your cover, this both cover for this gear, and also have to take out your both gear at the machine, not after machine, because this is the fixed gear here. Remove the key and gear also. So when it will be removed, that time back side cover also have to remove. And if suppose that this seal is leak is there and some dipping the oil here, so that time have to remove this big wheel also. So big gear wheel we will remove, and cover also as well as, and after that have to remove this guide pin also. When both this will free, so take out outside, and after that cover of this. So now your mixing wheel is ready, and have to remove one part. We will show here that you can take one fully out, and after taking this you can put inside on the floor, and you can this portion, roller portion should be high, and you can take this portion, that hosing you can take out easily, very easily, and you can change the seal. That the seal is because we are using here that software, so the seal is here. So we have to check this seal, and seal will be come out very easily, and we can change this seal. And after changing the seal, we have to reassemble this machine itself. And also have to check that here between both roller, that one spring is here, so you can adjust the spring to reduce this, remove this also, this part, this clamping, and open the bolt of this clamping also, and remove this. So that time it will be go upside, because we are our purpose to tell you how we will remove this, and how can we do work on the machine also, and in your preventive schedule. And in each company may make the schedule of your removing the part and preventive schedule of the machine. We will tell you that how can we make the preventive schedule accordingly us. Preventive schedule said that what is the precaution. It is not a that you will take from some end that bearing should be clean and all things should be clean, and how you will maintain that spare part of this, and how you will make the seat of critical part, and numbering, and their measurement specification, and before the opening your machine, everything should be in our hand, very easy if you will follow the rule. That in maintenance or machine person knows if you are in a senior person or engineer or well educated, so this file should be in your laptop or your computer or in your paper also. So we will define the value of everything in our coming video. So guys, we hope that you understand about the mixing mill all things now, that we will provide the link of our controlling the system, and also mixing mill, and all related items with that mixing mill and gearbox and all things, and also a rotary engine as well, where we will make. So definitely we will show you that how to make this. If you want to know more about this, and so please give the comments and tell to us that what do you want to know, and if you want to take any idea, so please tell us. Thank you very much.